Should this be the last Ganesh Utsav with POP idols? Prime Minister Narendra Modi has appealed to devotees across the country to choose eco-friendly clay idols and conserve water. But with just 40 days left for Ganesh Utsav, the Maharashtra government has told the Bombay High Court that the appeal will not be implemented this year. So why the delay and what does the mean for lack of devotees, idol makers and Ganesh mandals? Let's try to understand and let's try to break it down in easy terms. A major development has emerged ahead of Ganesh Utsav 2026. The Maharashtra government has informed the Bombay High Court that although it supports the Prime Minister's Narendra Modi appeal to promote the clay Ganesh idols and reduce the pollution, the change cannot be implemented this year because of the preparations for the festivals are already at the advanced stage. We have been seeing the preparations have been started in the city as well as the state. The submission was made before a division bench of High Court during the ongoing hearing on the use of plaster of Paris of POP idols and their immersion in natural water bodies. According to the state, a high-level meeting was held on July 31st, attended by ministers, senior government officials, idol makers, and representatives of Ganesh mandals. After detailed discussion, the government decided that shifting completely to clay idols just 40 days before the Ganesh Utsav would not be practically and would not be done this year. Thousands of idol makers have already completed or nearly completed their idol, while Ganesh mandals have finalized their festival preparations have been started. The government, however, has assured the court that next year Ganesh Utsav, a phased implementation of the Prime Minister's appeal will begin. This means the state plans to gradually enforce restrictions on the manufacture of POP idols and their immersion in the natural lakes, rivers, and other water bodies. The issue has been under judicial scrutiny for some time. Last year, the High Court had made immersion of Ganesh idols up to 6 feet mandatory in artificial ponds while allowing larger idols to be immersed in natural water bodies because of the practical difficulties. The court has also directed the state government to formulate a clear policy regarding the Ganesh Utsav mandals as well as the idols. Adding another twist to the case, the Central Pollution Control Board clarified that its guidelines of POP idols are recommendatory and not an absolute legal ban. Those guidelines, along with Maharashtra's government's policy, are now under challenge before the Bombay High Court, where the final hearing is currently underway. So, what does this means for the devotee is also a big question. As we have seen for Ganesh Utsav 2026, the existing system will continue. But for next year onwards, Maharashtra is expected to gradually move towards eco-friendly clay idols as a part of larger environmental initiative. The coming months will be crucial as the government prepares a roadmap that balances the environmental concerns with the traditions and the sentiments associated with one of the Maharashtra's biggest festival, that is Ganesh Utsav. Now we have to see, though this year the people and the idol makers are going with POP only, but from next year we will be using the appeal that has been made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi about the clay idols. With camera person Swapnil, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror.